The best toddler step stools for kids. If your toddler is eager to reach for countertops or if you are potty training them, here's our list of the best toddler step stools for you. Children prefer to be independent and like to be involved in the things they do. A step stool offers a comfortable and safe platform that your child can use to reach things or get a better view. These tools come in handy when they need to access the bathroom sink by themselves. Available in various sizes, heights, and shapes. You can choose a tool that suits your child's requirements. So, watch on to learn more. Number 1. Angel's Kids' Best Friend Blue Step Stool. This simple and classic step tool will be sturdy and comfortable for your little one. They can use it in the kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Pros: anti-slip top, non-slip bottom to provide grip, can support a load of over 70 pounds. Kid-friendly handle. Cons: simple design. Number 2. Bumbo Step Stool. Toilet training your little bambino has never looked so cute. The Bumbo Step Stool comes in 3 varied colors and is lightweight, making it one of the best toddler step stool designs available in the market. Pros: portable, lightweight, slip-resistant base and top, can support weight up to 110 pounds. Cons: the bottom surface may snag dust. Number 3. Growing Up Green Wooden Step Stool. This wooden step stool from Growing Up Green is the perfect pick for your growing child. The sleek and classy design is eye-catching and would totally blend in with the home furniture of your kitchen or bedroom. Pros: durable construction and non-slip base offers a grip, lightweight, easy to clean, can support up to 200 pounds. Cons: slightly expensive. Number 4. BabyBjörn Step Stool. The BabyBjörn Step Stool features one of the best toddler step stool designs with a rubber mat on the top for better grip and comfort. They come in 8 varied colors to choose from. Pros: playful design, slip-resistant surface, durable and recyclable plastic, lightweight, BPA-free. Cons: slightly expensive. Number 5. Acko Folding Step Stool. This toddler step stool from Acko has everything to make you fall in love with it. Crafted with a unique structural design, it is safe, strong, and foldable. Pros: can support up to 250 pounds, offers convenient storage, improved folding bar to prevent collapsing, non-slip bottom, handles make it easy to lift. Cons: slightly expensive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.